This is my friend's BBC Micro. It's had this since it was new and has recently got it back from his mum's place. I've said I'll have a look and see if it still works for him. So I've had it open and inspected it and inspected the power supply, and everything looks okay. So first thing I'm going to do is plug it in with the power disconnected from the board, just in case it wants to go bang. So let's check the switches on here. Oh, wow, that's a clunky switch. And now I'll try turning it on at the mains and we'll see what happens. Okay, no immediate bang. Give it a few seconds. Okay. Not a big fan of turning on old electronics. Let's give it a bit of a sniff test. Well, okay, seems good. I'll connect everything back up from the photos I took earlier, because look at these goddamn cables. Yeah, it's not a keyed connector, it's just random individual wires, although they are all different lengths, so you know roughly where they go. But yeah, let's get it reassembled and see if it will make its startup beep. Right, the beast is reconnected, so apparently we should get some sort of startup sounds, and that's as far as I'll go, and then probably think about getting a new power supply for it, so we can rely on it long term. But want to know that the board is good. Probably need to just check that it actually has video out at some point as well, but that's going to require some adapters and stuff that I do not have at the moment. So let's see what we get. Damn, straight on.
And there we have a working BBC. So having seen that all works, I ordered the parts I needed to replace the power supply, and I'll be putting together a video on how to do that replacement, which I have completed, and just properly document that process, because it was not easy to find the information, and you know, this seems like a thing that should be doable. So I hope you're all having a good start to 2022, and I will see you next time.